Okay, now I'll just, because I'm using this car, I'll just delete my Bluetooth connection. Range Rover, forget this device, forget this device. So that's it gone. Not Bluetooth off. Okay, not Bluetooth off. So I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the system. Just cancel that. So from any screen, you've got phone here, and you've got home menu and so on. So if you click on phone, it's straight away showing my phone. It's not connected, and it's giving you delete here or search for new. So I want to delete my phone. Yeah, I've just pressed delete, but you've got to, it's like a safety catch, so you don't delete it by accident. So that's the phone deleted.